This invoice calculates everything automatically. What's this? If I change quantity from 2 to 4, the total updates instantly. If I change GST from 18% to 12%, the grand total changes automatically. Even if I change the client name, the entire invoice is ready for printing. Now, let me show how to build this complete professional invoice from scratch in Excel. Step 1: Company and Invoice section. At the top, type your company name. Below that, enter your business detail. Now, on the right side, create invoice number and date section. Here I will type invoice number. Okay, next we have to enter the date. It should take current date. So I will use the formula equal to today. So now your invoice date will update automatically every day. Step 2: Client section. Below that, create a simple client details section. Add client name, address and phone number like this. Then keep proper spacing so the invoice looks clean and professional. Step 3: Item table. Now create 4 columns: item, quantity, rate and amount. Now enter sample products like laptop, mouse, keyboard and monitor. Along with that, I am writing the quantity and rate also. Adding bold to each and every header. Now I have selected the entire table here and pressed Ctrl plus T. Here I am entering the formula equal to B12 multiply C12. So it will multiply quantity with rate and give you the amount. Pressing enter and drag down. Type subtotal, then in the subtotal cell enter equal to sum D12 colon D15. Press enter. Now all item amounts are combined automatically. Step 5: GST calculation. Create a GST percentage cell. In GST amount cell, I will type equal to D17 multiply D18. Now GST calculates automatically based on subtotal. Step 6: Discount system. Create discount percentage field. Here I am writing discount. In front of it I will enter 5%. Then in discount amount type equal to D17 multiply D20. This will be the discount amount. This deducts discount automatically. Step 7: Grand total. Now in grand total cell, type equal to D17 plus D19 minus D21 and total. Make this bold and increase font size also. And I am just applying the currency sign. Here I am applying Indian currency rupees in rate and amount. Same I will apply here in subtotal, grand total and everywhere wherever the amount is shown. This is your final payable amount. If I change the quantity here, so the entire amount will change automatically. You can just see, if I change the GST amount, it changes automatically. Now you have a fully automatic professional invoice generator without using VBA. If you want the downloadable version of this exact file, comment invoice below and I will share it in the next video.